And today we're going to be talking about how to clean up ceilings, whether or not you got color cast on them or you want to just brighten them up. Just brightening up a ceiling and just getting rid of the color cast on a ceiling can look really good. Now, again, use discretion depending on your realtor style or what they like. They may not like this look as much, and it can, if you do it too much, it can look unnatural. So I just say I don't like the fake pure white desaturated ceilings that have no flaws. A little bit of color cast I think is okay, but I'll show you how I do it. But so this was a good example. Okay, this ceiling was pure white, but we had so much shadow going to it, it just kind of dulls it out. And of course this orange light, now this is the ambient layer, so I'm just showing you this just for example purposes only. I shoot the flambient method. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to come over here on this far side and click this little circle icon. And then you're going to click down here where it says objects. You're going to click on that and make sure that this little paintbrush with the squiggly circle there is selected. And then you're just going to take, now you can do your brackets. Your left bracket will make it smaller on your keyboard and your right bracket will make this bigger. It really doesn't matter, you know, about the size so much, but you want to, so all you're going to do is you're going to click and hold down and start painting and just kind of follow the border of the ceiling. Now again, you don't have to be exact, but you don't want to be too sloppy either, and then cover it all in, just like that. And then let it off. It's going to be detecting the object, so it's, look at that. Look at how it traced exactly. Now I came across some of this crown molding and it still found it. So check this out. So now we just want to bump that exposure up just a little bit, and then we can maybe take the shadows, get rid of those shadows. Even if we just did shadows, bump those shadows up, it'll be a little bit more natural. And we can bump the exposure up too. And then I like to come down here just a tick down on that saturation, and then you come up here to the little eyeball. You can hold that down to show what it used to look like, but it just adds another pop. You know, it makes the room look finished and clean. So there you go. I hope that helps you. If you have a better idea or a better solution, please leave your tips and tricks in the comments. I know people that come to videos sometimes, they love to sit there and read the comments, and a lot of you have been doing really well on giving me some tips and tricks of stuff that you've found that helps you too, and that helps everybody. So, and that's why we're here. So again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.